Let us discuss about EIMS or Electron Impact Mass Spectrometry. This represents the instrumentation of EIMS. The simplest and most common method for converting the sample to ions is electron ionization or electron impact method. In EIMS, a beam of high energy electrons is emitted from a filament that is heated to several thousand degrees Celsius. These high energy electrons strike the stream of molecules that has been admitted from the sample inlet system. The electron molecule collision strips an electron from the molecule, creating a cation. A repeller plate which carries a positive electrical potential directs the newly created ions towards a series of accelerating plates. The large potential difference ranging from 1 to 10 kilovolts applied across these accelerating plates produces a beam of rapidly traveling positive ions. One or more focusing slits directs the ions into a uniform beam. Most of the sample molecules are not ionized at all but are continuously drawn off by vacuum pumps that are connected to the ionization chamber. Some of the molecules are converted to negative ions through the absorption of electrons. The repeller plate absorbs these negative ions. It is possible to reverse the polarity of the repeller and the accelerating plates in some instruments, thereby allowing the mass analysis of negative ions, that is anions, that are created by electron capture when the sample molecules are hit by the electron beam. A small proportion of the positive ions that are formed may have a charge greater than 1. These are accelerated the same way as the singly charged positive ion. The energy required to remove an electron from an atom or molecule is its ionization potential or ionization energy. Most organic compounds have ionization potentials ranging between 8 to 15 electron volt. However, a beam of electron does not create ions with a high efficiency until it strikes the stream of molecules with a potential of 50 to 70 electron volt. To acquire reproducible structural features, including fragmentation patterns that can be readily compared with electronic databases, a standard 70 electron volt electron beam is used. EIMS has distinct advantages for routine mass spectrometry for small organic molecules. EI hardware, electron ionization hardware, is inexpensive and robust. The excess kinetic energy imparted to a sample during EI process leads to significant fragmentation of the molecular ion. The excess kinetic energy imparted to the sample during EI process leads to the significant fragmentation of the molecular ion. The fragmentation pattern of a compound is reproducible and many libraries of EIMS data are available. This allows one to compare the mass spectrum of the sample compound against thousands of data sets in a spectral library in a few seconds using a PC, thus simplifying the process of determining or confirming the compound's identity. And this gives the advantages of EIMS, and the data obtained from EIMS is compared with the spectral library, and the structural elucidation will be easy by using a computer.